In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Ghost of Tsushima multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to access multiplayer in Ghost of Tsushima, you have to go over to the Legends mode. The Legends mode is a cooperative multiplayer mode that offers unique experience to the game's single-player campaign. So first, for you to actually access it, make sure that you have the necessary updates. Make sure that you have the latest update for Ghost of Tsushima installed, and you can go over to the PlayStation Store to double check. This update typically includes the Legends mode, but sometimes you might be able to find the option to download Legends standalone. Just make sure that the game is up to date. Afterwards, from the main menu of the game, you will be able to find the option to enter Legends mode, as you can see here. If you don't see this option, you either need to progress the story enough or update the game. You can also find a specific NPC in the open world, as you can see here, that is also going to offer you the option to go to Legends, so keep that in mind. Now, once you go inside of Legends mode, you will go through a tutorial showing you the 4 playable classes: Samurai, Hunter, Ronin, and Assassin. Each class has unique abilities and playstyles, and it's important that you pick the one that you like the most, because you will be given starting gear for that specific role or class. Afterwards, you will be able to choose between all of the main modes, so choose Play Now from the menu that you appear on, and you will be able to select Quick Play if you just want to go in, and then Story, Survival, Rivals, and Challenge. Story is played with 2 people, and all of these are cooperative modes, keep that in mind. Survival is played with 4, and Rivals is also played with 4. So, you will be able to choose from any of these modes, team up or play solo, and you will be able to experience Ghost of Tsushima multiplayer. You will get better gear and level up your abilities so you can tackle on harder content. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Ghost of Tsushima multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.